Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to detailed review of the Soundcore Liberty 5 noise cancellation earbud. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, audio quality, battery life, noise cancellation, as well as the smartphone application features, along with quick unboxing as well. So here we go. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box, you will find this flap with lots of instruction regarding how to use the controls, how to reset the device, how to wear it, and how to do the first time pairing. Then there is the case with the Liberty 5 earbuds inside. Then we got some user manual, quick start guide, a USB Type-C cable, and 5 pairs of additional ear tape. So talking about the design and build quality, the Liberty 5 is quite similar to the previous generation of Liberty earbuds. As you can see, we got multiple microphones on each unit. Here we got the connection point for charging. On the stem we got the Soundcore logo, and because of this nice contour shape, the Liberty 5 is very comfortable to ears. It is also very lightweight, and the ear tips are soft and comfortable as well. So you won't face any issue and discomfort while wearing the Liberty 5 for hours for longer music session. The whole body is quite glossy except this silver lining we got here, and on this part of the stem we got the pressure sensitive controls to perform various tasks and commands on Liberty 5 earbud. The charging case is quite small. Unlike the earbuds, it is matte finish, and it also comes with this nice silver lining. All around the charging case we got the same color accent for the Soundcore logo. Here we got the LED light, and there is one physical button provided inside for resetting the earbud. The magnet inside is quite strong. As you can see, even if I'm shaking it violently, the earbuds are not falling out of the case. On the back we got the USB Type-C port for charging the case and the earbuds, and it also comes with wireless charging capability. The velvet-like finish on the case feels quite premium, and it looks beautiful as well. Now talking about the audio quality, the Soundcore Liberty 5 comes with 9.2 mm flexible wallpaper diaphragms that provides very rich mids and highs, and when it comes to bass, dual bass enhancing tube that provides a very well balanced bass in the audio output. So the overall audio coming out of the Liberty 5 is very well balanced in every aspect, and you will enjoy all kinds of music on it. When it comes to battery life, you can get up to 12 hours of battery life with noise cancellation turned off. With noise cancellation on, you can get up to 8 hours of battery life, and if you turn on the Dolby audio, then you will get 5 hours of battery life. Once the battery goes down, you can charge the earbuds with a case that provides fast charging to the earbuds, and with just 10 minutes of charging you can get up to 5 hours of battery life. You can charge the case with the help of this USB Type-C port provided, and since it comes with wireless charging capability, you can even charge the case with a wireless charger, as you can see here. And with the charging case you can charge your Liberty 5 3 times more. So if you do not use the noise cancellation, you can get up to 32 hours of playback, and even if you turn on the Dolby audio, you will at least get up to 20 hours of battery life with a fully charged earbuds and the case. When it comes to active noise cancellation, the Liberty 5 comes with 6 microphones along with the new adaptive ANC 3.0 that provides real-time noise cancellation calibration to provide the best active noise cancellation experience. It also comes with a special acoustic cavity that particularly reduces the human voice for a better listening experience on these earbuds. For the noise cancellation, you can select between the manual mode or the transportation mode. In the manual mode, you can select the strength of the noise cancellation, or you can go with the transportation mode and you can select between the flight or the traffic, and based on the ambient noise, the noise cancellation level will be adjusted by itself. And then we got the transparency mode for both transparency and the noise cancellation. We also got the option for the wind noise reduction. So it does not matter in which scenario you are going to use your Liberty 5, whether it's on crowded street or cafe or in the subway, you will always have a very nice active noise cancellation experience with the Soundcore Liberty 5. Now talking about the connectivity and smartphone application, the Liberty 5 comes with the Google Fastpair technology, so you can instantly connect your Liberty 5 with your smartphone app. Once you open the smartphone app, you can have a look on the battery status. You can select between various noise cancellation, transparency mode, etc. Under the sound effect, you get the option to select the Dolby Audio. Once you select the Dolby Audio, you will get the option to select between the music mode, podcast mode, and the movie mode. You can also perform a preference test where you will listen two different type of audio output for the same track, and then based on your preference, you can select any of these two. You can also select many of the Soundcore preset equalizer, or if you want, you can even create one of your preferred custom equalizer. You can also perform a Hear ID sound test to see your hearing level, and based on that, once again, the Liberty 5 will adjust your audio output. In the control section, you can select multiple options for each of the single press, double press, triple press, and long press. One very interesting feature here is that you can even take photo using your Liberty 5 if you select the take photo option. So this is a very unique feature that you can use with your Liberty 5. So as you can see, the picture is being captured and the timer is on by itself if you use the Liberty 5 with your smartphone to capture pictures as a Bluetooth remote shutter. So once again, that is a very nice and interesting feature that we got here on Soundcore Liberty 5. So we got plenty of options that you can use here on your Soundcore Liberty 5 to perform various different options. And for the commands for the calls, once again, we got a new option here, that is to turn off the microphone during the call if you would like to stay on the call but turn off your microphone. Once again, this is a very nice and interesting feature we got here. After that, what we got here is the gaming mode. If you turn it on, then the low latency will be activated on Liberty 5 for a better gaming experience, but as you can see, the noise cancellation or the transparency mode will be turned off. If you go to the settings, here you can see that we got the option for in-call sound awareness that enhances your own voice while making voice calls. It comes with the veering detection technology that works perfectly every single time. Then another nice feature is the adaptive sound leakage compensation. If you turn it on, then if Liberty 5 detects that the sound is leaking from your ear canals, then it will compensate it by itself by adjusting the audio output, especially for your ears. Then we got the option to turn on the safe volume to protect your ears. You also get the option to change the prompt tone, whether you would like to get it for touch tone, veering, and the low battery. In the sound mode, you can select between the LDAC if you want better audio output, or you can go with the combination of better audio and connection quality. But if you would like to get the best audio output from your device, then better to go with LDAC. Of course, it will consume more battery as well. The Liberty 5 also comes with dual connection features, so you can connect two of your devices with Liberty 5 and you can switch between them easily. You can even perform the fit test to get the best ear tips for your Liberty 5. We got the option for the auto power off. It comes with find device feature. If you use it, it will play some sound from your earpiece that will help you in locating them. For example, if I turn them on, so this is how it works. Then we got the option for the widgets. You can create and place a widget on your smartphone screen to quickly access the Soundcore application and perform various tasks. And of course, you can update the firmware of your Liberty 5 to get the latest features, bug fixes, and the best audio output for a long run. And when it comes to making voice calls, the Liberty 5 comes with 6 microphones along with AI technology to provide crystal clear audio in every scenario. It also comes with wireless high-res certification to provide great audio output for your better listening experience. Overall, the Liberty 5 is a very nice earbuds in every aspect, as it comes great active noise cancellation, brilliant audio output, impressive battery life, feature-rich smartphone application, 6 microphones with AI technology for crystal clear voice calls, and an overall great listening experience in every aspect. So if you're planning to buy the Soundcore Liberty 5 for yourself, then I have shared the link in the description of this video, using which you can buy the Soundcore Liberty 5. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.